The CPIM delegation today, including our Central Committee member, Comrade Suprakash Talukdar, our MLA, Manoranjan Talukdar, and what we saw today was the most horrifying, inhuman, barbaric action of the double-engine government of the BJP here in Assam and helped by Delhi. We have seen with our own eyes the forcible eviction of over 1,000 families, all of whom are Indian citizens. They are citizens of India with every single document to prove they are citizens. They are landowners. They have got documents to prove that they have been on this land for the last 50 years. And yet this government, this shameless government, without notice, 12-hour notice, they came with a big police force and evicted them, bulldozed their houses, women, children, they didn't care about anything, and fired and killed two directly in firing and injured so many. I say, what was the reason this happened? This happened for one reason and one reason alone. They are minority community members. They belong to the Muslim community. They have lived here in Assam. Their families have lived here in Assam. Many of them are registered in the 1950 and 51 NRC, and yet they have been treated worse I would say, than prisoners of war. Today they are living in conditions which are unbelievable. There is no water, there are no latrines, there are no houses, there are no facilities, there is no food. Since September 23rd till today, this is their condition. And I say, this is the worst nightmare of what a Hindu Rashtra's agenda actually is. It is anti-national, it is anti-constitutional, and we will fight against it.